Hello, my name's Kimberly Hilton, and today I'm going to be making a foldable art board that is a better size to fit into a small art bag. So when I want to take on location or out in the field, I don't have to carry a big bag. I can carry something that will fit in a smaller lightweight backpack or small bag or purse. So this is just a this is actually a Coleman backpack, and it's one of the lightweight ones. It's actually one that holds a water one of those water bags that you can take hiking. But I thought it would be great to stick this little sketchbook. This is a Pentalic 8x5 sketchbook. So this will fit inside here, and my little water brushes will fit in there, and so will my little paint palette. I have room for water here. I can stick a small jacket or a flannel or something in there, and I like having a little art board to put things on, so it can help hold my tools, because I have this that I could clip on it, and that's a water pot, and I can attach my palette with Velcro, as I showed in a previous video. But I need a smaller one, and I want one that will fold out to be larger. So I thought I could just cut one in half, but not cut it all the way in half. And this is one I already made up that's already has, this is a foam core board, and it already has packing tape on it, just this kind of packing tape. Shipping tape, and I wrapped that around the foam core board. This is a 9x12 foam core board. So I decided just to kind of cut it, but not all the way in half. It's still attached on this side. So what I did was I just measured half of that, which is like 6 inches, and I just took my box cutter and just went down and cut that. And then I had the idea, well, maybe I could make a video, because this might be useful to someone else. So what I'm just gonna finish it up with you guys. So I'm gonna take packing tape, and I gotta get it kind of a mess right now. So I'm just gonna cut that messed up part off. And I'm going to just stretch that out, the length of that, and just because I want it to be more secure than, okay. I'm learning as I go. So you all can benefit from my trial and error. Okay, so I'll take a clip and kind of hold that upright. That'll be better. And now I can just take the packing tape and just kind of center it as best you can, and then press it down. I'll take the scissors and cut this end off. And just take your fingers and smooth it down over that edge. Take your fingernail or the back of your scissors Just press it down really good on both sides. Now, let's see. Okay, so that will open like that. Okay, so now just press it down. You want it to go inside that gap so it can have room to open. So press that down, and then press it down on this side. Now, this should be pretty secure. I'll have to test it out, but that's like that, and it opens up flat. So let's see how this will work with the sketchbook. So if I put the sketchbook on here, I can clip. Well, if you want this to be secure like that, you can just do that. Now I can hold this sketchbook in my hand. I can attach my little water cup. There. And this sketchbook is longer than the board, but that's not going to matter because it's going to fit in my bag. And then I can put a let me make sure I do this right. I can put a piece of Velcro up there. And let's see where I want it. And there's a lightweight foldable board that can fit into a small backpack. That was pretty easy. And you can close it up. You can also use that with watercolor paper. And then I'm gonna stick this board and this sketchbook into this bag. Well, let's see. May have to rearrange it. I can always put the sketch board into the back part of the bag. I wanted to have it in that part, and then that, and that. And aside from a paper towel or a cloth rag, I have everything I need in here to go on a little watercolor hike. So I hope you find this useful, and if you like this idea, leave me a like and a comment and let me know what you think. And I hope you'll be inspired to go out and paint something outdoors. And happy painting. Have a great day.